Hello and welcome to On4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I will be showing you how to make a very simple bridal shower invitation in Cricut Design Space. I also have created a part 2 to this video where I will be showing you how to create an envelope to go with your invitation or card. I will link that video in the description down below. So let's get started. First we will need to add a pattern. So on the left side, click Upload and select Pattern Fill. Locate the pattern you like to use and select Open. So once the pattern uploads, you will need to name it and click Save. Okay. Click Shapes and select Square. Drag it to make it a bit bigger. We'll go to the top and under Fill, click the drop down box that says No Fill and change it to Print. Click the gray square and change the print type to Pattern. Locate your pattern and select it. And since I selected a PNG format instead of a JPEG for my pattern, I will need to add a white background behind it since it's transparent. So I'm just going to duplicate the pattern shape and change it to a solid color. I'm going to move the white square to the back and align it both before I flatten the image. So that part is done. So let's start creating the invite. Click on Shapes again and select Square. You can change the square to a color of your choice. Now I'm going to start typing out the invite information. And I will fast forward this part just a little bit so it won't take so long. So in the video you will see me duplicating the text a lot, and I do that just so I can keep the same font and size for the majority of the invitation. Okay, now I'm done with writing out the text, so now I will be aligning and changing the colors of the text. I wanted to change the color of the text to pink, just to bring out the pink in the pattern. But for the name, I'm going to change it to blue. To ensure my text is aligned, I will hide the white square first and select all the text. Go to the top and select Align Distribute vertically and then center horizontally. Now I'm just going to bring this white square back into view. So select the white square and all the text and flatten it so it now be one. After flattening it, I decided I didn't like the pink, it was just too light. So I unflattened the image to change all the text to blue. inadvertently changed the square as well to blue, so I'm just going to go back in and hit white just for the square and select all the text in the square again and click flatten so it can be one. I'm going to put the white square over the pattern and make the necessary adjustments. And once I'm happy with how my invitation looks, I will change the size to 5.5 inches by 4.25 inches. And that's it. We're done with designing it. So we will flatten the image, click save, and make it. Page, you will see your image. There's not much we can do here, so we're just going to click continue. Cricut will now print and cut your image, so select the printer you would like to use. I suggest clicking System Dialog so you can decide which print settings you would like for your printer to use. And for this project, I use cardstock, light cardstock actually. So my machine dialer is on light cardstock for the cut settings. And that's it for part 1 of this video. Please don't forget to watch part 2 if you'd like to see how the invite looks with the envelope that I will be creating with it. And if you know anyone who will like this video, please also share and please subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching this video.